Over 700 people die in roadway work zones every year, and thousands of others are injured in these accidents. And all too many times, husbands, wives, sons, and daughters are sadly left behind. This week, we come together in San Antonio to network and interact, as well as to exchange innovative and bold ideas with each other to help save lives on America's roadways. Many of us continue these efforts throughout the year in our communities back home in several unique ways through the programs of the American Traffic Safety Services Foundation. Each of you here today can be part of a wonderful legacy that not only looks for ways to help save lives, but also finds ways to help those who are left behind following tragic, often preventable accidents on our nation's roadways. Thankfully, ATSA has a vibrant foundation that was created specifically to assist people through educational scholarships, advocacy, and community awareness events. A diverse range of foundation programs help support communities across the country, and many others on a much more personal level. For example, 5 young students received a Foundation Roadway Worker Memorial Educational Scholarship in 2009 to help them reach their goals in college and ultimately in life. Last year, the Life Behind the Cones and Barrels poster contest involved over 6,700 young students across 15 states who creatively drew their depictions of roadway work zones. Both the contest winners and their schools each received cash prizes. Also in 2009, the National Work Zone Memorial traveled to 11 locations across the country and was viewed by over 110,000 people. In the past 7 years, the ATSA Foundation's National Work Zone Memorial has visited 62 sites and has been visited by over 1 million people from coast to coast. And there's so much more. You can be a part of the continuing good work of the Foundation by doing something as simple as identifying a young man or woman who has experienced a personal loss in their family and is in need of an academic scholarship. Or you can notify the Foundation that there's a school in your hometown that is interested in the Foundation's poster contest. Or perhaps you can help by hosting the National Work Zone Memorial at a Work Zone Safety Awareness event in your community. Only through ATSA member support can your foundation help save lives, raise community awareness, and help others who are needlessly left behind. To find out more about the Foundation, please visit the Foundation link of atsa.com. Thank you for supporting your foundation and, more importantly, for supporting those who need our help the most.